8. All right, and I think that is correct. Then minus 10. Negative 2. Divide by 6. Negative 1/3. Good. 2 over 6 reduces to negative 1/3. Plus or minus, or just negative? Just negative. Good, good. Yeah, because this is an odd number. All right, just negative 1/3. Plus we got a negative answer, so then you know for sure. Awesome. Y'all, see, I told you all to catch on. Okay, one last one. This one's also short, so we're almost finished. Number 7. Okay, x plus 30 to the 1/2 equals x. Okay, so it's not a number over here, it's x. We got 2 x's in our problem, so I'm going to figure something out. So what are we? X plus 30 to the 1/2 equals x. All right, so what do you want to do first? All right, let's do the reciprocal. Okay, now I'm going to rewrite this, and I'll show you why in a minute, but I'm going to rewrite it right here. It's 1/2, sorry. And then that's 2 over 1 equals x to the 2 over 1. Okay, now these cancel out and just leaves me with x plus 30. But here, since it's not a number, it's x. It's what's 2 over 1? 2. Which is x squared. So it's going to go back to being like the very first problem we did. Okay, it's x squared, x, and 30. It's going to be a quadratic. Whenever we move, we got to move everything to the same side of the equals. Okay, and it's fine with me if you want to do minus x minus 30, or you can do negative x squared. Okay, which one y'all want to move?
X squared.
The x squared. That's one thing to move. That's fine with me. It doesn't matter. Okay, so you got to set it equal to 0. That's what matters. Bring down this plus x plus 30 equals 0. Right, and then like we said on number 1, you can do the quadratic formula. There's lots of ways to get your 2 solutions here. But let's go ahead and just do it in the calculator. Okay, let's take a shortcut to save us time. Negative x squared plus x plus 30. And I still have my 0 in y2. And we can do second trace 5. Or you can do second graph. Okay, it depends. Like, again, if they're not whole numbers, this won't work. But I see I've got 6 and negative 5, right? They both, that's where the 0 is. And you can see it on the graph, too. Negative 5, positive 6. Now, here is the same thing. When you have these quadratics, this is when you've got to double check them. Okay, we've got to check our answer to make sure that neither of them, that they're not extraneous. Okay, they might not have 2 real answers. Okay, so this is why I rewrote it so I could see what I'm doing. If I check it, I'll put in negative 5 plus 30 to the 1/2 should equal negative 5. Right, I just plugged in negative 5 where the x is in both parts. Okay, but if I want to work this out, I can use my calculator to do it. I'm sorry, I need parentheses. Negative 5 plus 30 to the 1/2 gives me positive 5. Okay, so I end up, when I check negative 5, I get 5 equals negative 5. All right, so what is this?
So
Extraneous, good. Okay, it's extraneous. Okay, it doesn't really count. And usually on these, if there's one negative, it's a negative 1 that's extraneous. Not every single time, but a lot of times it's not going to work. That one's extraneous. So we'll try 6 then. Okay. 6 plus 30 to the 1/2 should equal 6. Okay, so 6 plus 30 to the 1/2 equals 6. And I get 6 equals 6. That is true. 6 does equal 6. So my solution on here is x equals 6. That's my real solution. Okay, so we've got 1 real, 1 extraneous. All right, y'all did wonderful today, okay? I'm going to put up the answer key for the practice, okay? I'm going to leave it on the board. So just so that when you're doing it, not the key, the bank, you can know if you're going in the right direction, okay? Help double check yourself. This is the answer bank. I'm going to leave it on the board. When class is over, I would take a picture so that you can, keep checking it if you have the ones that you don't finish today during class.